Hi, I'm David Hamlin from Valley Children's Home Care. In this video, we're going to walk through on how to use the PM60 stationary suction machine. First things first, make sure your suction machine is placed on a sturdy, level surface. Make sure you have the suction machine, filter assembly, canister, and canister lid. Additionally, check and make sure your parts are not damaged. Check your canister for cracks. Check your canister lid to ensure that the float shield is in place. To set up the PM60 stationary suction machine, cover the large opening in the lid with the cap. Place the canister lid on the canister, ensuring that it is completely in place. Place the suction canister into the machine. Connect the filter assembly to the regulator. Ensure that the side of the filter that reads "This side to pump" faces the regulator. Connect the other end of the filter assembly with the elbow to the top of the suction canister lid, which says vacuum. To turn the machine on, locate the on-off switch on the end of the motor. Make sure that the switch is in the off position. Place the power cord into a power outlet. Switch the machine on. Block the open end of the suction tubing and adjust the regulator to the desired suction level. Turn the regulator knob to the right to increase the suction and to the left to decrease suction. The machine is now ready for use with oral or tracheal suction supplies. The canister should be emptied when half full or every day. Remove the 6-foot suction tubing from the lid and remove the elbow from the canister and cap. Remove the canister from the machine. Remove the lid and empty canister into the toilet. Rinse the canister with mild dish soap and warm water. Once a week, you should soak the canister in a mixture of half white distilled vinegar and half hot water for 30 to 60 minutes. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit the Valley Children's Home Care website. And don't forget, if you have any questions or concerns, please call Valley Children's Home Care at 559-353-7125.